Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth headphone with our Poco phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth headphone with your Poco phone. So friend, how can we pair and then how can we use guys Bluetooth pair setting in our Poco phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon like my video. So then first of all turn on your headphone Bluetooth headphone, so we will on it first of all. Then guys go click on your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Hence you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys. You will have to enable your phone Bluetooth from here. So we will enable phone Bluetooth setting guys with refresh setting guys. You can see your available device setting guys. We will refresh. After refresh guys, you can see your headphone name. So I have guys this Breton company BT Bluetooth headphone. I will tap here. Hence you can see this pairing request, pair with Breton BT, allow access to your contacts and call history guys. Tap here. So after tap here then guys, it will pair to your phone guys. You can use it guys. So friends, you can use your Bluetooth headphone while watching movies, listening song guys. You can use your headphone. So like that guys, you can pair it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a next video. Bye guys.